I'm attorney Nick Alcock. I'd like to talk about probation violations in Arizona. Now, there are two different types of probation that you typically see. One is summary or unsupervised probation, and the other is supervised probation. There's also intensive probation, but that's becoming rarer and rarer, and that is a more serious or more stringent type of supervision. If you have a misdemeanor, most of the time it's going to be unsupervised probation, where you either have to abide by the terms of the court with regards to community service, paying fines, doing classes, and as long as you do those things, at some point the probation will be over. That's unsupervised probation. So the way to mess that up is don't pay your fines, don't do the classes, don't do what you need to do, maybe get arrested for something else. Then you could find yourself back in that court and having to explain yourself to the judge, which you obviously don't want to do. Supervised probation is a different creature though, and that's where you have a probation officer who may come to your house. They may search through your documents, they might look through your home, look for drugs, you might be giving urinalysis from time to time, and if you are found to be on drugs, well, guess what? You could be violated. Supervised probation, it totally depends on who your probation officer is. If you have a probation officer who's really cool, it's going to let you kind of bend the rules from time to time, that's great, you lucked out. And you could do something that is technically a violation, but they may not violate you. On the other hand, there are some probation officers out there, you so much as miss one meeting and you get violated. You so much as miss one payment and you get violated. So unfortunately, the system is very unfair. Good people, they're trying hard, they make it one simple mistake, they wind up back in jail because the probation officer is basically a hard case. You got some other guy who's making all types of mistakes, but the probation officer's got other things to worry about, and that guy's getting away with it. The good news is that most of the time, if you are violated for a very ticky-tack reason, you get in front of the judge. As an attorney, I would say, Judge, come on. We're talking about one technical violation, one little thing here. Give them a second chance, and most of the time they do. Where it gets complicated is a very long history of missing appointments, failing to make meetings, positive drug tests, maybe a misdemeanor conviction, maybe another case comes along. That's when a judge might think about sending you to prison. I would say that if you are in a position where you are being violated by your officer, you need to speak with an attorney, and you should call 602-989-5000 because every case is different, and there are some cases where we say, hey, you're probably going to be okay. Other cases we look at it, we can tell this person really needs to have a qualified probation violation attorney on their side. We got to make sure that this is taken care of the right way. And all you have to do is call. It's a free consultation, 602-989-5000. I'm Nick Alcock, the owner of Alcock & Associates, and thanks so much.